Would you rather Pepsi or Mountain Dew?
Hey kids, are you eating healthy today?
Delicious.
Are you eating healthy today? No. I'm addicted to my layer. Am I eating healthy? No, don't run, I can catch you.